been stuck on how to start an email? Well, that's where Vengresso comes in. And our article, How to Start an Email, 10 Professional Greetings and Openings. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. So our blog post gives you the lowdown on how to start an email professionally and effectively. From understanding the importance of professional email greetings to adapting your greeting to different scenarios, we got you covered. Did you know that the way you initiate an email conversation can actually set the tone for the entire exchange? Well, a well-constructed email greeting can build rapport with the recipient and make an excellent first impression. And it's not just about having a one-size-fits-all greeting. Depending on your relationship with the recipient and the context, your email greeting should adapt. Hi, hey, hello, dear, etc. For instance, addressing an unknown individual as "Dear Hiring Manager" or "Good morning, dear sir and madam" can make a huge difference in a bad way. Do your LinkedIn research. Find out their name. Always personalize and customize to that individual. Know what their culture is. If a hey is too casual, then use a hello. So, are you ready to make a great first impression with your emails? Then click on the link to read our blog post and start crafting emails that make a positive impression. Your journey to better email communication starts here and now. I'm Vivica Von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengresso, helping you write better and more productively on LinkedIn and everywhere online.